Hello there. My name is Leo Hayner-Pope, and I'm here today to show a bug, potentially, or just like a problem with the Godot game engine. This is for Godot headquarters to review and analyze. Basically, I just have a system where it's like a full screen, borderless full screen, and windowed kind of settings that I want like a user to be able to choose which one they want. I have a function that just toggles whatever thing that is specified by my settings, whatever thing that I created. That's not really a great explanation, but it sets it either to window mode exclusive full screen, which is just like an actual full screen, to where when you like alt tab or something out of it, it like kind of resets the whole entire window. So like I think on like Windows and stuff, it gets like the black screen or something like that. But on full screen windowed mode, on window mode full screen, it's like, I think this is like a borderless full screen type of thing. I don't know why it's not just called that, because it lets you alt tab like to other windows when it's running without like having like the full like screen switch. Like it's not like using the whole full screen thing for like the graphics driver thing, I'm pretty sure. So I don't know why that's not called borderless, but I also just have it to set it to the windowed mode. I just set it to window mode maximized. So like this is windowed mode, but it just sets it to like the maximum screen size, so it's a little easier. If you're switching from full screen to just normal windowed mode, it kind of like makes the, like if you just have it set at full screen, like the screen like resolution size is just like your whole entire screen. It like when you switch to window mode, it like makes the whole thing fit the whole screen, I guess, and it's just a little weird to resize it. You kind of have to like go to the sides of the window. If you can see my mouse, like I kind of have to like do that and then pull in. So I'm gonna launch this, and here we are. So I think I'm in windowed mode. Let me see right here. So I have my thing right here, display mode, yeah, windowed. And so if I switch to full screen here, it's full screen. So let me just switch back to windowed. So I have it like this, and you can see this kind of like border kind of thing. This is like a default Windows kind of like, you know, window border outline where you can like change the width and like the height of it and whatever. You can change both at the same time, and it's like you can set it to whatever you want. And then I go back to full screen and it's good. Go back to windowed and then it's good. It resets the thing to maximize, but it remembers this. But if I go to borderless full screen and then I go back to windowed, or this is just the window mode full screen compared to window mode exclusive full screen, and I go back to windowed, it gets this weird, like, I don't know if I can, I'm gonna try and move this back in. I don't even know if I can. Oh yeah, right here. It gets this super weird border outline thing. Like, I don't know what this is. I think this is just for like the exclusive full screen mode that just happens to get carried into the window mode, but it's not the default like Windows kind of border outline thing. And it also has like a problem because I have like two monitors here. You can't really see the other monitor, but if I stretch it into the other monitor, like you can see the screen just starts going off of the like the thing right here, and it just does not work at all. I don't know what this is. This is not supposed to be like this, I think. But if you go back to the exclusive full screen, which is what I have as full screen, I apply it, and then I go back to windowed, then it's gone. So exclusive full screen resets the weird border outline window, which is weird. I don't know why it wouldn't reset it when you go to windowed mode. So there's a little workaround that you do. I think this was on like a Godot website somewhere. I might link it, but you set it when you want to set it to windowed mode, even um, after using the borderless full screen mode. There's a lot of words I'm having to remember. It's like 1 o'clock at night, so I'm sorry. You have to first switch to exclusive full screen, and then switch to windowed mode. This maximized is windowed mode, basically. So if I do this, and I load it, and so I'm on windowed right now. Let me try if I can. Yep, there we go. I can resize, so I get that. And then I go to borderless full screen, then it goes to the borderless full screen like normal. Then I go back to windowed, and then it sets it to the normal, like, actual border outline of the window thing. I don't know if it's because the game is running through like the project thing, so like I don't get like the 5 seconds of black screen that you get from switching from like full exclusive full screen to like a windowed mode that I get on like other games that I think other people get too. But it's like I don't get it fully here, but I'm worried that if I have a thing where switching from, even if like if I'm going from borderless to windowed, then it switches to full screen, which would take 5 seconds for like the screen to update, and then it switches to windowed, which would take like another 5 seconds. I don't know how that would work really, because I think the code would run faster than that. Like these would run at the same time around, like as soon as this like gets executed or something. But it's like I think it would run at the same time, but I don't really know. I don't know if I have to export the project, but like it's just kind of weird, and I just wanted to make a thing about it. So yeah, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.